LCD panel is supported and secure. Uninstall the black antenna cable from the cable guides. Uninstall 2 screws securing the left hinge to the base cover. Uninstall the gray antenna cable. Uninstall 2 screws securing the right hinge to the base cover. Carefully lift the LCD unit from the chassis. Align and lower the LCD unit hinges onto the corresponding mounting posts on the base cover. Make sure the weight of the LCD panel is supported. Install 2 screws on the left LCD unit hinge. Install 2 screws on the right LCD unit hinge. Install the black antenna cable into the cable guides. Install the black antenna cable in through the chassis. Insert the gray antenna cable in through the chassis. And install the cable into the guides. Follow proper procedures to install the system board. Close the cover and turn the system over. Install the black wireless LAN antenna cable into the base cover. Install the gray wireless LAN antenna cable into the base cover. Using a plastic pry tool and your fingers, carefully unsnap the LCD bezel along the bottom edge. Work around the edges until disconnected. Lift the bezel at an angle to detach the hinge covers and remove it. Place the LCD bezel onto the LCD panel assembly, making sure no cables are pinned or pinched. Press the hinge covers together until the clips are secure. Press down along the bottom edge to secure the locking clips. Then work around the edges until secure. Remove the 4 screws securing the LCD panel to the cover. Lift the top of the LCD panel from the back cover. Turn it over and lay it face down on a clean electrostatic mat. Peel back the tape. Lift up to unlock the latch. And detach the LCD cable from the panel. Carefully place the LCD panel face down on a clean, flat surface. Connect the LCD cable to the LCD panel. Lock the latch and attach the adhesive tape firmly. Place the LCD panel face up on the cover. Make sure the panel is aligned correctly and firmly in place. Secure the panel with 4 screws. Remove the 3 screws from the base of the LCD hinge. Remove the single screw from the top end of the hinge. Tilt the narrow end of the hinge up, then pivot the hinge to remove it from the hinge cover. Repeat the process for the other hinge if needed. Place the hinge portion of the LCD hinge into the hinge cover and lower it into place. Make sure the mounting posts and holes are aligned. Install the 3 screws into the base of the LCD hinge. Install a single screw at the top end of the hinge. Repeat the process for the other hinge if needed. Lower it into place. Install the 3 screws into the base of the LCD hinge. Install a single screw at the top end of the hinge. Close the cover and turn the system over. Uninstall the gray wireless LAN antenna cable from the cable guides of the base cover. And the black antenna cable from the cable guides of the base cover. Turn the system over and open the cover. Follow proper procedures to remove the system board and any other screws blocking the antenna removal. Pull the black cable through the chassis and continue uninstalling the cable from the guides. Uninstall the gray cable from the guides and pull it through the chassis. Follow proper procedures to uninstall the LCD unit and LCD bezel. Use a non-metallic pry tool to lift the bracket portion of the wireless LAN antenna. Grasping the bracket, peel up the metal tape. Uninstall the cable from the cable guides. Lift the bracket portion of the right wireless LAN antenna and peel up the metal tape. Peel up the mylar tape protecting the ThinkLite card and finish uninstalling the cable from the cable guides. Align the left wireless antenna bracket with its mounting hole. Apply the metal tape. Install the antenna cable into the cable guides. Repeat for the right antenna bracket if needed. Apply the metal tape. Apply the mylar tape over the ThinkLite cable. Install the antenna cable into the cable guides. Install the cable in through the right hinge cover. Follow proper procedures to install the LCD bezel and LCD unit. Install the black antenna cable into the cable guides. And through the chassis. Insert the gray antenna cable in through the chassis. And install the cable into the guides. Follow proper procedures to install the system board. Close the cover and turn the system over. Install the black wireless LAN antenna cable into the base cover. Install the gray wireless LAN antenna cable into the base cover.